Everyone says abs are made in the kitchen. Cool. But nobody tells you why some people stay lean and still don't have abs. And nobody tells you why doing 500 crunches a day is basically becoming a professional floor enthusiast. After years of training, I realized something. Most people train their abs like this. Do random crunches. Feel a burn. Go home. Repeat. And wonder why their core still looks the same. So today I'll show you the only 3 exercises that completely changed my abs. No fancy machines. No Instagram nonsense. Just exercises that actually work. Exercise 1. Hanging leg raises. Most people think abs only flex forward. Wrong. Your abs stabilize your entire body. That's why hanging leg raises are so powerful. They train lower abs, hip flexor control, core stability, grip strength, and they make your abs work hard. Not just feel tired. The biggest mistake? Swinging. If you're generating enough momentum to qualify as a pendulum, you're doing it wrong. Eventually move towards straight leg raises, 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps. Exercise 2, cable crunches. People avoid weighted ab training, then wonder why their abs never grow. Abs are muscles. Muscles grow under resistance. Simple. Cable crunches allow progressive overload, meaning your abs actually have a reason to adapt. Round your spine, crunch down, squeeze hard, pause, return slowly. Don't just move weight, train the muscle. 3 to 4 sets, 10 to 15 reps. Exercise 3, ab wheel rollouts. This exercise is pure suffering, and that's exactly why it's amazing. Ab rollouts train anti-extension, meaning your core learns to resist movement. This creates real-world strength. Go only as far as you can control. Collapse, reset, try again. Over time, your core becomes ridiculously strong. 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps. Stop chasing ab workouts that look impressive. Train movements that challenge your core. Progress them. Stay lean, eat properly, and your abs will finally start showing. Because abs aren't built by doing more exercises. They're built by doing better exercises.